everyone, welcome back to Rivers Landscape. Yesterday we installed galvanized metal lath on our balcony. Today is day 2 and we're taking the next big step, pouring concrete to create a solid foundation. Here you can see our roofers hammering down the lath to ensure it's securely in place. Meet our roofer mixing the concrete using a drill mixer. Getting the right consistency is essential. Too dry and the concrete won't spread evenly. Too wet and it won't set properly. A well-mixed concrete ensures a strong and durable surface. Hammering the lath tightly is important because it helps maintain a smooth surface for the concrete. This minimizes gaps and air pockets, which can lead to cracks or weak spots in the finished balcony. Now our roofer is ready to pour the concrete while another roofer holds down the ladder. We're starting the first batch of concrete in the corner and along the wall side. Using both a squared hand plaster and a round trowel allows us to spread the concrete smoothly and evenly, ensuring a uniform thickness across the balcony. As the concrete is poured, another roofer is smoothing it down. Smoothing the concrete helps eliminate air pockets and ensures an even surface, which is vital for the durability and appearance of the balcony. While the first batch is being smoothed out, we're pouring another batch. This continuous process helps maintain momentum and ensures that the entire balcony is covered without waiting for one section to set before starting the next. Here's a wide view of our team working together. Coordination between the roofers is key to achieving a perfect finish, ensuring that every part of the balcony is evenly covered and properly set. Keeping the trowels clean is important. Rinsing them in a bucket removes any concrete buildup, ensuring they remain effective for a smooth finish. Clean tools also prevent unwanted marks or inconsistencies in the concrete surface. Now we're pouring concrete at the halfway mark, creating an L shape along the balcony side. This strategic pouring ensures that all necessary areas are covered, providing a comprehensive foundation for the entire balcony. As the day progresses, most of the balcony is covered, leaving just the corners to finish up. Focusing on these final areas ensures that the entire surface is uniformly set and ready for the next step. With limited space on the balcony, I've moved to the floor. Meanwhile, the roofers are tackling the final corners, ensuring every inch of the balcony is properly covered. One roofer is up on the ladder to reach the top corners, ensuring every part is properly covered before coming down to assist. Working from the ladder allows for precise pouring in hard-to-reach areas. Finally, a roofer hands over the last bit of concrete to complete the pour, making sure no area is left untouched. This final pour seals the foundation, preparing the balcony for the curing process. The balcony is fully poured and smoothed down, creating a solid foundation for our balcony. But we're not done yet. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll move on to the tile installation. Thanks for watching Rivers Landscape. Leave a comment on what you guys would do differently, and thank you for watching.